Hi, I'm very excited with today's unboxings. So this one just came from Saks Fifth Avenue. It's a Telfar shopping bag that from their collaboration with Moose Knuckles. The reason I decided to get another one because this is the only leather one from Telfar, and I have been talking about wanting a leather one. So since this was from their collaboration, I don't want to miss it just in case they don't make another leather one in the future. And also, if you have watched my previous review, when I had issue with my UGG collaboration totes, they replace it with they give me free exchange and provided free shipping for the exchange. And since I'm heavily involved in the community, I also noticed that they are doing a lot of good things within the community and really taking care of their customers. So as long as your wear and tear is being unusual compared to normal situation, usually they will take care of you and give you a free exchange. So look at this huge box. Didn't expect that. Let's put down the box. Wow, didn't expect it to be that big. Even though I know the one I order is the size large, but seeing it in person still quite impressive. And I love this dust bag from the Moose Knuckle collaboration. Kind of shiny. Has this fancy gold print on it. This is a good size dust bag. Compared to other dust bag I got from Telfar shoppers, a lot of time it actually doesn't fit once you open up the tote. Let's take out the packaging. Ooh. They actually have this silicone stuff. Somehow it stick on the back. I don't think I like that, but oh well. Hope we don't have that problem. Okay, let's remove the straps. Well, let's do some close-up first. So this is the one that made with Lambskin genuine leather. It's puffy and it feels really soft. And I love the details on the side. This quilting on the side is beautiful. It's so classic and sophisticated. And this is the back. So this is kind of different play on Telfar's logo. Make it into a signature pattern instead of just one big giant logo in the middle. So I actually like this design better. I'm going to remove the strap and then remove the cover of this strap and then see how it looks inside, okay? I guess it's more challenging than I expected. Whew. 2 more to go. If you are interested in getting this tote bag from Telfar's collaboration with Moose Knuckle, potentially you could still find it either on Nordstrom or Saks Fifth Avenue's website. And what's better was I actually got this for 20% off plus 10% Rakuten rebates. If you're not familiar with Rakuten, you can sign up from my link and you could get rebates every time you shop, and the percentage change each time. But when I bought this one, it was 10%. And then I have 20% coupon from previously. They didn't send me my order, the order, so I put it to good use and finally got this back. So more of this to keep it dry, but I'm not sure why the other one became sticky. I hope it didn't leave any stain on this bag. Wow, this is really good size. So on one side, you have these zipper pockets, pretty deep. Probably could put a mini iPad, I think. I like that their zipper has this Telfar's logo, and they use a metal zipper, so that's going to be able to last longer. And then they have this Moose Knuckles logo and Telfar's logo so inside the bag. The lining is polyester, and also the feel is also polyester. And then on the other side, you have a slip pocket. Good size to just put your phone. The medium size shopper, the regular medium size, they don't have this slip pocket. They only have a one zipper pocket. So I really like this extra pocket for organizing things in my bag. I would say the first impression is quite excellent. Don't see anything horrible. Stitches are pretty good. Nothing out of ordinary. Some of the stitches is off here, but if you look at the pictures on their website, also have the same issue. So I don't understand what's going on here. Maybe because of the quilted pattern or something. Not sure if you can see here. It's like the stitches go down here, and then it just go off to the side. I mean, they still have stitches go across here, but somehow here kind of like the person who sewed this, maybe he or she was drunk or something, just went off the reel and then came back in. But I don't think it's noticeable, and yeah, they still have stitches on the inside, so I don't think that's going to affect the integrity of this bag. So yeah, after having, this is my 5th Telfar shopping bag, and I have to say This is definitely the best quality one out of all I have. And if you are hesitating and wondering how is the quality of this leather version, I think you should get it as long as you have the budget, because the price is definitely much higher compared to their regular vegan leather, faux leather, or even the suede one. This one, the price is much higher, but it's lambskin, so it has this really nice, soft, smooth texture. I absolutely love it, and I definitely recommend it if you are interested to get one. Try to check on Saks Fifth Avenue. They likely still have it in stock. I'm going to try it on and let's see how it looks. So here's me trying it on as a crossbody. I think this large one, the strap is a little bit too long as a crossbody, at least for me. Seems a little bit long. If I have a lot of stuff inside the bag when I travel, or maybe if I have my jacket inside, then I would use a crossbody. If I'm taking this for shopping, I need hands-free, so. But otherwise, I think it would looks good or looks better as just carry it like this. It's such a beautiful bag and so comfy and so soft. It's like the softest leather. So this is the large Telfar shopper from their collaboration with Moose Knuckles. I hope you liked today's unboxing, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you again next time. Bye.